James, what's the deal for today? Where are we? Where we had to see? Sterling. Yeah, it's a pretty standard day for us. Sun's in the sky, but it's a little bit cooler. And yeah, we're buzzing for that rest day ahead of us. I think we've hyped it up a little bit too much. Although, Endgame was hyped, and that was good. So, day of relaxation, food, and sleep ahead of us. Alright guys, so just coming out of Sterling, and we've caught this tractor, because we are nipping along at quite a pace. So we're just going to have to chill in his slipstream for a while. Ah, big hill. Not a big hill, but still. It's really difficult to overtake this one. Look at that machinery. You can hold on. Yeah, go on, do it. That'd be James. Yeah, we'll update you when if we overtake it. John. Are you gonna, yeah, look at James. No, he's not happy, the farmer's not happy. That's brilliant, that's quite good fun. He's off. That was funny, I got that on film. This is the thing that I've been, well, not exactly this, but check out this beast. Look at James there for the size reference. That's incredible. It's so, and you get big tractors that high up off the ground as well on their wheels.